Mr. Williams, you're charged with aggravated stalking. Go ahead.
Allowed to speak, man. We was in the process of getting that charge uplifted from the original charge, and also we never was told we wasn't supposed to be around each other. The person, she is the one who bonded me out. She is.
You have got to stay. When the judge put an order to stay away, it doesn't matter what you think is. Mr. Rose, you're charged with criminal damage to property. That bond is set at $2,000. Simple assault, family violence, $2,000. You must stay away from Patrice Gibbons and Aldemir.
I didn't do none of this. Like, I didn't hit anybody. I didn't damage any property or anything like that. This not making any sense.
And I have no.
Sir, you are currently on probation right now. I could give you no bond.
I'm not on probation for what?
King County Superior Court, 2020. You have 7 years probation. You're currently on probation. So I could not give you a bond at all.
Coming straight from the bottom of the map in Clayton County, Georgia, today Judge Kate Johnson takes on her first appearance bond docket. And let's just say that today's lineup of defendants is quite entertaining, but for all of the wrong reasons. As we have 3 rather eccentric defendants, all seeking to be released on their own recognizance, or as some call it, a signature bond. But that's not all they have in common, because all 3 of these stooges came packed to the gills with pitiful excuses for their behavior. First up, we have an alleged stalker who seems to struggle with one simple direction: stay away from the victim. The second defendant is a man accused of getting domestic with his partner, but he's shown up to court utterly befuddled, claiming he has no idea why he's even here. Convenient timing, don't you think? And the last defendant somehow forgot that he is on 7 years probation, but he's surprised that Judge Johnson is reluctant to let him just walk right on out with a signature bond. It's a real parade of brilliance in Judge Johnson's courtroom today. But will she manage to cut through the pathetic excuses and bring some clarity to the bench? Or at least some accountability, perhaps? Stay tuned to see how she handles this trio of Mensa hopefuls.
Better run while she says she gonna let you out.
Right. What's your name, sir?
Hello, ladies, ma'am.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. What's your name, sir?
Hello, Williams, ma'am.
Williams, okay.
Ma'am.
Mr. Williams, you're charged with aggravated stalking. That bond is set at $10,000. Actually, I set your bond at $8,000. You have got to stay. When the judge put an order to stay away, it doesn't matter what you think is. Go ahead.
Allowed to speak, ma'am. We was in the process of getting that charge uplifted from the original charge, and also we never was told we wasn't supposed to be around each other. The person, she is the one who bonded me out. She is on my bond. So if you could take it to consideration, can you at least lower my bond so I can be able to make the bond, so I can go get this situation handled?
How did the police get involved?
The police got involved because we was at Costco's and we was arguing with each other. No altercation. We just was having a verbal argument, and they came. It was a Forest Park police officer. They ended up calling Clayco to come, and that's when Clayco ran both of our names and found out that I guess we didn't even know we wasn't supposed to be around each other. She is on my. She the one bonding me out. We didn't even know.
I was in Fulton County, so we can't control what happens in Fulton.
So I would just like for you to try to take it in consideration to lower my bond as possible so I can get this, because we was already in the process of getting this situated, getting this charge up off me.
What happens when you don't follow orders? But okay, you say you didn't know. Most of the time that's not true. But hold on.
Then she bonded me out.
But that's what they do in Fulton County. That's not what we do over here.
Yes, ma'am. I understand, but we didn't know.
All right, your total bond is $6,500.
Thank you.
Good luck to you, sir. Hold on. Your preliminary hearing is February the 3rd, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about it, and it appears that you do qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I have appointed one to you. Good luck to you, sir. What's your name?
Rhodes.
Or Jeremiah?
Correct.
Mr. Rose, you're charged with criminal damage to property that bond is set at $2,000. Simple assault, family violence, $2,000. You must stay away from Patrice Gibbons and
I didn't do none of this. Like, I didn't hit anybody. I didn't damage any property or anything like that. This not making any sense. Because when I was there, I didn't hit anybody. In my recollection, like, what happened when I was downstairs, I heard a distress call. I heard somebody say help, and I ran upstairs, and I had opened up the door, and I thought like two people were fighting, and then I looked, and somebody was, and then it was just a woman in there, and it was a man, and he came,
sir,
and he's using.
Sir, let me read what the warrant says. Let me read what the warrant says. That
It
you
was a
committed the
warrant?
offense. Yes, that's why you got arrested. You committed the offense of criminal damage in the second degree and simple assault, family violence. When
What did I damage?
Sir, listen to me, okay? I'm telling you what the allegations against you are. Do you want to hear them or not?
I guess I can, but it's kind of false though.
Says, but if you listen, maybe you can decipher what happened. It says that you kicked the victim, Patrice Gibbons, door.
I kicked him?
You kicked the door of her room, causing damage to the door frame, disabling the locking mechanism. You broke a flower pot at the front door, and you flicked a cigarette at the victim, Aljamir Bennett, and that Miss Bennett felt threatened. So you was just cutting up, basically. Okay.
No way.
All right. So your bond is set at $4,000.
No way.
I am going to appoint an attorney to you. Your preliminary hearing is February the 3rd at 8:30 a.m. All righty. Good luck to you, sir.
Look to the last door on the right.
Right, Mr. Nico Austin, you're charged with no proof of insurance. That bond is set at $1,000. Driving on suspended license, $1,500 for a total bond of $2,500. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for February the 4th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And it appears that you do qualify for a court-appointed attorney. So I am going to appoint one to you. You have any questions, sir?
No.
All right, good luck to you.
Can I say something to you?
Sure.
The vehicle that I was operating, it wasn't registered in my name, and I work at the bakery on Northside Drive, and I'm trying to make it to work tonight. I work at night shift, 10 to 6, and whatever you see on my record, that was like 22 years ago. Is it possible that I can get a signature bond? I mean, I'm gonna return to court. I stay right here on Flint River. I'm just trying to make it to work like at 10 o'clock. So I didn't know, like, I don't have it right now to make bond. So if I could, like, be granted a signature bond, I will return to court and pay whatever fines that you make, but I just need to be at work tonight at 10. I work the night shift 5-6 days a week on Northside Drive at the bakery. And I have no.
Sir, you are currently on probation right now. I could give you no bond.
I'm not on probation for what?
King County Superior Court, 2020, you have 7 years probation. You're currently on probation. So I could not give you a bond at all.
I mean, it's non-reporting, and
You're still on bond. Whether you have got the benefit of non-reporting, that doesn't matter. You are currently on probation. So your request is denied. Thank you, sir.
I mean, I talked to my attorney and my probation officer. My probation officer told me, like, if I didn't get any felonies or get in any trouble within so many years, like, I mean,
Sir, I've made my decision. Good luck to you.
okay.
Come in.
What can
No,
I?
come in.
I was just
The
asking.
judge already finished with you.
All comments, viewpoints, interpretations, and insights expressed in this video are for education and entertainment purposes. All individuals featured in the video are to be presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Please do not attempt to contact, locate, or engage with any individuals featured in the video.